Hey WED 151 students, my name is Meg Rademacher and I am your instructor for the next 8 weeks of your WED 151 class, which is Introduction to Alternative Medicine. So I just wanted to touch base with you and give you a brief overview of the class and kind of what to expect. So first thing is when you log into Canvas, this is what your homepage should look like. You should have the most recent announcements will be posted here. Usually the last 3 announcements will show up there for you. I do post announcements pretty regularly in this course, several times a week. They may be specific to this course, or they may be information that's going on campus-wide that I think might interest you. So just make sure you're logging in every day, a couple times a week, every day, every other day, to kind of get a feel for the class and what's happening in the class. Okay. As you scroll down, you'll notice the next most important thing is your syllabus. Your syllabus is posted here for you. It is posted in PDF format for you. So if you have any questions or need any help, that's kind of the first place to look. Second place to look would be, or second thing to do would be to contact me. Easiest way to contact me is through the inbox over here. Just shoot me a message. I am pretty good at getting back to messages fairly quickly. I usually check my messages first thing in the morning, midday, and then usually in the evening. If for some reason you don't hear back from me within 24 hours, resend that message. Something must have got lost in translation. But always feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I am happy to answer any of them. So inbox over there, my instructor information is listed there for you in Canvas as well. So either email or inbox. Usually Canvas inbox is a little bit easier. Okay. Next thing you're going to focus on is your Getting Started orientation module. You have a few assignments this first week. You will notice that they are all due on Friday, October 23rd. Okay, all of our assignments will be due at 11:59 p.m., so end of the day. So you need to make sure you get through these 4 assignments before Friday, and then complete your first module before Sunday. So once you complete your Getting Started orientation, this module will actually open for you, and you'll be able to complete that. Okay, so your 4 assignments are quick and basic. They are easy for you to complete. It is just to make sure that you are comfortable enough in Canvas to complete an online course. So you're going to give an introduction. You're going to do a little Getting Started assignment, which will be basically talking about what you know about alternative medicine and what you want to focus on throughout this class. And it just lets me know that you are comfortable using a Word document or the like, comfortable writing, and able to submit an assignment through Canvas. Okay. Orientation quiz, that's just a quiz. Again, making sure that you're comfortable taking quizzes. It will focus on the information that is presented in the syllabus. So make sure you read over that syllabus before you take that orientation quiz. And then you're going to send me a message through Canvas, just through the inbox. Just shoot me over a message. Let me know that you do know how to contact me. Okay, so those are really the basics of the class as far as in the Getting Started orientation module. Complete those first 4 before Friday, October 23rd, and then you can actually get to work on module number 1. Okay, other thing I want to talk to you about before I send you off to start the class is your textbook. Your textbook looks like this. It is the Alternative Medicine, the Definitive Guide, the 2nd edition. Your textbook is pretty hefty. We will not go through your entire textbook, but it is extremely cost effective and great material, contains great material. So I would really recommend that you buy it. Well, you have to buy it for this class, but if you're a person who likes to kind of flip through things and go back and reference material, if you have an interest in alternative medicine, I would definitely recommend buying that paperback version. Right now it's only $18 on Amazon. I don't care where you buy it through or what format you get it in, as far as if it's paperback or if you choose to get the ebook or the Kindle book. I've seen the Kindle or the in the Google Play Store, I've seen it anywhere from $5 to $12, and then the paperback ranges usually anywhere between $15 to $40. So like I said, today it happens to be $18 on Amazon, but as we all know, those prices change like crazy. So just feel free to get your textbook if you're having trouble with the shipping of your textbook, because I know shipping hasn't always been super fast with COVID. Send me an email. I am happy to send you over that first chapter or the first or second chapter for that first or second week until you get your textbook. Okay, so if you have any trouble getting it, just send me a message. I'm happy to help you. So again, that's what your textbook looks like. Paperback version, Kindle version, either one, whatever fits you the best. Okay. So those are the basics. If you have any questions about Canvas or how to navigate the course, please let me know. Pretty basic. I'm sure you all have been doing online classes now, especially because of COVID, so you've probably gotten pretty comfortable in Canvas. So if you have any questions or anything, again, just shoot me a message in the inbox, and I look forward to working with you all this semester. Have a great day.